How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, give you my levels slash zones. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this. You all know I trade SPY most of the time. Really simple setups this week. What I'm watching is pretty much a push up to this 415 area for possible puts. We do have some supply up there. Looking to enter around that 415 level. I trade at the money strikes always. Okay, so if I'm looking to go short at 415, I'm probably going to trade 414 put options if that helps you out. Tend to have a good delta, get a really nice return once it starts moving in your favor. Now the only demand area I'm really watching this week, as far as like the bigger picture, is this 406 to 405 area. Got some nice demand down there. A really key level here on SPY. We'll be watching it for a possible bounce for calls. My entry would probably be around that 405.5. Once I see some price action confirming this trade, looking at volume, hopefully we see a nice decrease in selling volume down around that area. Some things I'll be watching. That being said, this 410 has been the current demand. We've hit it several times, so I don't have as much confidence in it, but it still is demand. Demand is demand until it's broke through, right? Same with supply. So that's a level worth watching as well, that 410 area. But for me, my main levels will be this 415 reject or a bounce down here around this 405 area for calls, okay? Now let's take a look at SPX. These are my levels for SPX this week. I did kind of go back through and fine tune them, if that makes sense. This is what I'm watching when I'm trading SPY, and you can trade SPY based off these levels. So, for example, say we're right here and we're looking to go long on SPY, and we see SPX is right below this resistance. You better not buy calls on SPY because chances are you're going to hit this, you're going to reject, you're going to get stopped out and lose money. Now, let's say we want to, we're looking to go short and we look at SPX, we're looking to buy put options on SPY. We look at SPX and we're setting right above a big support level. Do not go short above a support on SPX. It's going to stop you out. I don't care if you go write this down on a sticky note, put it on your computer. This tip here will help you. It will keep you from stopping out and losing money if you pay attention to these levels while trading SPY options. And for me, this 4,200, if we can get up here this week, I don't know if we will. If we do, that's a big level. Definitely a reject area I'm interested in. I'll start my position around that 4195. 4195 to 4200 is the area I'm looking for puts on SPY. You can trade this using SPX. Some people prefer it. I prefer SPY options. And this 4100, I do like this area. I want to see how we look when we get back down there for a possible bounce. And as far as levels go, this is probably the two main levels I'm watching this week on SPX as far as taking a trade based solely off SPX levels. Anything else I see, I'll have to call it out when I'm trading live inside Team Bull. Once I see it, play out, see it confirm, see it match my criteria for taking a trade, if that makes sense. Now, for all my futures traders out there, this is for you all. Stick around. I do have an individual stock I'm watching as well this week. It'll be right after this one. But same zones on ES here for you all. Watching this 4,200 to 4,195. This is where supply is at right now. We have some demand down here around this 4137. But the main area I'll be watching for a bounce this week is down here around this 4,100 to 4,098. So possible short area, possible long area, and you can trade SPY based off this as well. When I'm trading SPY, I'm watching SPY, SPX, and ES. That's the three main things I'm watching to help confirm my trades. For those that traded with me inside Team Bull this week, you know that we took a bounce trading SPY calls based solely off the level on ES, and it worked out nicely. Something to keep in mind. Hope this simplicity helped you all out, helps you to understand this. If you're going to trade my strategies, how I trade, I highly recommend you understand price action, supply and demand, support and resistance. That's the three main things I bring into play while trading. Now, for the individual stock, check this out. So the stock I'm watching this week is Tesla, ticker TSLA. We had a nice gap down on the daily time frame. You can see that clearly here. And we had a nice gap up, as you can see clearly over here. So I got two levels on watch this week. I really like where we're at. I'm watching this 146.5 for a possible bounce area using call options, okay? When I'm day trading, I'm using the same week expiration because I never will hold a day trade overnight. That's a very good tip. You never want to hold a day trade overnight. You haven't done the proper technical analysis to hold it overnight for a swing trade. Base these levels off of day trading only. Your research is, for day trading. Definitely adds to the risk when you hold a day trade overnight. Now, possible reject areas is 177.4 area. I do have a little hesitation when it comes to rejecting Tesla because when it gets some strength, you all know what a powerhouse it can be. But that 177.4 is what I'll be watching for a possible put entry. We'll see what we look like when we get up there. I will wait on confirmation. That's all I have for this week. I hope you all have a really good week trading. Hope you manage your risk well. I hope you all are trading live inside Team Bull with me. Would love to have you all there. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.